want to ace your English 1123 paper 2 speech writing? This video will help you master the art of persuasive, structured and high-scoring speech writing Cambridge style. Welcome back to my channel. And here I am with a comprehensive guide that will help you to craft high-scoring speeches for the Cambridge English Language 1123 B2 directed writing section. Learn to analyze stimuli effectively and structure persuasive arguments. Here we go. First and foremost thing is that you have to understand a directed writing question. You will be given a short stimulus passage and a prompt. The first step is to read carefully, skim for the main theme and then reread and annotate important details. Remember, your speech must address all bullet points using both stimulus and your own ideas. As you will be assessed on content, language and structure equal weighing. The first and foremost thing is to decode the stimulus text. You have to skim first for overall theme, reread highlighting key facts, note different perspectives and identify quotable phrases. The main criteria or the main point that you have to work for is to know the audience. Are you talking to students, teachers or officials? Adjust your tone and language. A speech to students is informal and motivational, while a talk to policymakers needs formal, persuasive language. So, you have to keep an eye on the purpose and the format of your speech as per the audience. Directed address, rhetorical questions and strong conclusion. This all has to be marked keenly when you are doing your speech writing. Brainstorming content, effective techniques. Connect each bullet point to stimulus evidence. Develop original examples that extend stimulus ideas. Balance facts with personal commentary. Anticipate counter arguments. You need to use rhetorical questions, direct address and tricolons. Like we must act today, unite together and create change. These make your speech memorable and convincing. Now we need to talk about the structuring of your speech. Grab the attention. You have to start with some startling statistics, rhetorical questions or vivid anecdote from stimulus. You need to state the purpose as well, clearly articulate your speech objective, and in the end you have to briefly outline what you will cover. You need to preview the points what you are writing in your speech. Now we are having a bar graph that will be helping you out to understand how to go with this speech, developing your argument. Each body paragraph should focus on one main idea with stimulus support. You have to give the direct quotes, paraphrasing and statistical evidences to connect your ideas and to convince your audience during the speech. As I have discussed this earlier as well, that you have to engage the audience with your words. You have to hook the audience basically. You need to use rhetorical questions, direct addresses, and you need to use a tricolon for a memorable theme. So the structure of this speech should be: start with a hook, a surprising fact, a rhetorical question or a short anecdote, then state your purpose clearly, outline what you will cover and develop each point in separate paragraphs with quotes, states or real examples. Concluding with impact. Now you have to wrap it up with a strong summary and a call of action. Circle back to your opening hook. A powerful quote can leave a lasting impression. Think of your speech like a sandwich, strong beginning and end, hold it all together. Remember, a speech is like a sandwich. The introduction and conclusion are the bread holding everything together. So your beginning has to be impactful, and your as far as your ending has to be that impactful as well. You have to be an inspirational one with the ending of your speech. Now we are having the key takeaways. Thoroughly analyze both stimulus and prompt before writing. Structure clearly and with introduction, body, and conclusion. Integrate stimulus material seamlessly with while adding original ideas. Practice delivering speeches aloud to check flow and timing. Now apply these techniques to practice questions for best results. Speech writing seems to be a difficult task, but trust me, it's not. You just have to grab the attention of the audience with a clear hook, with the well elaborated body and a grabbing ending. And this is only a keynote to deliver one of the strongest speech to impress the examiner of yours as we talk about the writing. So practice writing and delivering your speech aloud. The more you practice, the more natural and powerful your delivery becomes. Subscribe for more writing and mastering tips. Happy speech.